Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making this delicious Asian takeout Mongolian beef. To start off, we'll be cutting the steak into thinly sliced pieces. This will help it get tender and it will also be really easy to cook. I am using a really sharp knife to help me cut the steak easily. If your steak is hard to cut, I would suggest putting it in the freezer for a couple minutes and then try to cut it. Once you get your steak cut into thinly sliced pieces like that, we're going to season it with some soy sauce, white pepper, baking soda, and cornstarch. The baking soda will help it get tender. And as always, I will be leaving the recipe down below with exact measurements, so don't worry. Make sure to fully mix this all together so every piece of meat is fully coated with the baking soda and the cornstarch and all the good stuff. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Once you get that fully all mixed in together, we're going to set it aside and start with our veggies. We are going to cut the green onions by first cutting off the white parts and then cut it into 3 parts. Next, we're just going to get a regular white onion and then just cut it into slices. Once we got those prepared, we'll set it to the side and start on our sauce. This sauce is super simple. All you need is soy sauce, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and water. For some reason, my camera didn't record the brown sugar, but I did add it, and I will leave it in the descriptions down below. Now to start cooking, we're going to shallow fry the meat for about 5 to 6 minutes until it is about 80% cooked. We will finish cooking it with the sauce. This does cook pretty fast, so don't walk away from it. It was super fast. This meat turned out so tender. The baking soda really helps it a lot. It was so tender, so juicy. It was really good. In the same pan, I just drained out the oil and added about a tablespoon of garlic. And then I added in my green onions and white onions. I sauteed this for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until it was kind of soft but not fully cooked. Now we're just adding our cooked meat back into the pan, and then we're going to add our sauce to the meat. Now you just want to give it a really good mix and make sure the heat is on high. The cornstarch on the meat will thicken up the sauce, so don't worry if your sauce is kind of liquidy at first. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This is honestly better than takeout. Just eat it with some white rice or add some noodles to it. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.